A blessed day, everyone. In our devotion for today is found from the book of Deuteronomy, the fifth book of the Old Testament, chapter 13, verses 1 to 3. Worshipping other gods. If a prophet or one who foretells by dreams appears among you and announces to you a miraculous sign or wonder, and if the sign or wonder of which he has spoken takes place, and he says, "Let us follow other gods, gods you have not known, and let us worship them," you must not listen to the words of that prophet or dreamer. The Lord your God is testing you to find out whether you love him with all your heart and with all your soul. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
Good morning, everyone. My devotion for today is from Deuteronomy chapter 13, verse 4 to 6. It is the Lord your God you must follow, and him you must revere. Keep his commands and obey him, serve him, and hold fast to him. That prophet or dreamer must be put to death for inciting rebellion against the Lord your God, who brought you out of Egypt and redeemed you from the land of slavery. That prophet or dreamer tried to turn you from the way the Lord your God commanded you to follow. You must purge the evil from among you. If your very own brother, or your son or daughter, or the wife you love, or your closest friend secretly entices you, saying, "Let us go and worship other gods, gods that neither you nor your ancestors have known." The word of the God. Amen.
Good day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 13, verse 7 to 10. Worshipping other gods, gods of the peoples around you, whether near or far, from one end of the land to the other. Do not yield to him or listen to him. Show him no pity. Do not spare him or shield him. You must certainly put him to death. Your hand must be the first in putting him to death, and then the hands of all the people. Stone him to death, because he tried to turn you away from the Lord your God, who brought you out of Egypt, out of the land of slavery. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 13. I'll be reading from verse 11 to 14, and here is the scriptures. "And all Israel shall hear and fear, and never again do any such wickedness as this among you. If you hear in one of your cities, which the Lord your God is giving you to dwell there, that certain worthless fellows have gone out among you and have drawn away the inhabitants of their city, saying, 'Let us go and serve other gods, which you have not known,' then you shall inquire and make search and ask diligently. And behold, if it be true and certain that such an abomination has been done among you." Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 13, verses 15 to 18. "You must certainly put to the sword all who live in that town. Destroy it completely, both its people and its livestock. Gather all the plunder of the town into the middle of the public square, and completely burn the town and all its plunder as a whole burnt offering to the Lord your God. It is to remain a ruin forever, never to be rebuilt. None of those condemned things shall be found in your hands, so that the Lord will turn from his fierce anger. He will show you mercy, have compassion on you, and increase your numbers, as he promised on oath to your forefathers. Because you obeyed the Lord your God, keeping all His commands that I am giving you today and doing what is right in His eyes. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.